Whether it's land conservation, wildlife research, habitat restoration, or education, let's take a look at what's going on around the bend. Today we're at the Nueces Delta Preserve with the Coastal Bird Program as they continue work on next year's planting stock for their restoration efforts. Now, the seeds planted today will grow to provide structure, habitat for nesting birds in the future when they make it out to Rookery Islands during planting dates. But the journey starts here. Germinated seeds. Tubes are packed into buckets before dirt packed into tubes. This mixture is a 50-50 blend of local soil and vermiculite. Once the tubes are packed and reorganized, they're given a topper of peat moss and a sprinkle of fertilizer before they're tucked in and covered for the rest of the growing season. Check in next time as we follow the journey from seed to shrubs.